Bitcoin liquidity pools. How exchanges profit.
We showed you that on the heat map. Maybe they have a visual of this. Yeah, here, remember I just showed you this. So liquidity clusters above 106K. So probably they'll push higher because, this might be a new concept to some of you. Let's address that. There are some new members, and maybe some of you are watching clips of this. As introductory traders, you're thinking price is going up because lots of people are buying, and that's good. And there's all kinds of good, narrative behind it. But often it's the market makers sort of helping to manipulate price to go after liquidity because they're in the business of buying and selling. To sell, you must have inventory, so you need to buy and have enough Bitcoin. If this pushes higher and they can liquidate some traders, then they get some Bitcoin back. Right? If these people are long, they've gone leveraged long, they're borrowing Bitcoin from the exchange. And this goes into like staking and liquidity mining. You don't need to worry about that. But the exchanges are essentially borrowing your Bitcoin if you're staking, right? That's why you earn interest. You're loaning your Bitcoin for them to trade with in loan to shorts and loan to margin trading longs. Does that make sense? There's lots of layers to this onion, and maybe that's a layer for you. But at any rate, you see all these liquidations here that act as a magnet. And so the exchanges like Binance, who's one of the biggest holders of Bitcoin, they're both making money on price go up. They're also making money sort of trading against their clients, and they're making money making a market. When you borrow in margin, you're paying a fee to Binance. But also, if you want to buy a whole bunch of Bitcoin, they need to have enough to sell. One way to get and always have liquidity and provide a liquid market and keep the bid-ask spreads thin, the name of the game is always have Bitcoin. So if there's a lot of the liquidations up here, probably they push price up to get those liquidations. Hey, this is Brett from Moonstream. If you'd like to learn more about our pro trading signals or our live classes every Wednesday or our Retire Rich program, go over to moonstream.io/start.